Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
Start by scanning your workbook for entirely blank sheets and hidden pages. Right-click the blank sheet tab and choose Delete to remove entire sheets. Check for hidden sheets by right-clicking any tab and choosing Unhide. Inspect the first rows and columns for stray spaces and invisible formulas that force extra pages. Clear unused rows and columns by selecting them, then right-click and choose Delete. Save your workbook before continuing to preserve your original file state. Next, define the actual data you want to print using Print Area. Select the exact range, then choose Page Layout, Print Area, Set Print Area. Use View, Page Break Preview to visually check how pages split. Drag the blue lines to include content and exclude blanks from extra pages. If manual breaks interfere, go to Page Layout and click Breaks, reset all page breaks. Finally, clear any print titles that repeat sheets across unwanted pages. Now adjust margins, orientation, and scaling to eliminate trailing pages. Open Page Layout, set orientation to portrait or landscape based on layout. Choose margins and try narrow or set custom margins to 0. 25 inches when appropriate. Underscale to fit. Set width to 1 page and height to 1 page to compress content proportionally. Check Print Preview to confirm no extra pages remain before printing or exporting to PDF.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.